Oh, there it goes. It didn't record none of that.
Look at all that hair.
Shalia, you.
She does look like Rico.
Man, she looks just like that boy.
I think she looks like him.
Girl, her eyes are big.
She's like, who are y'all? Ooh, she probably recognizes your voice.
Whatever.
From these 10 minutes she was in here.
Right.
Jenny's like,
give her.
Here, you hold her, I'll put her hat on.
She's her niece too.
I know.
Jenny.
You feel like a mom?
For me?
It hit you, huh? It's there. Hey,
Oh, baby.
you're all up in her face. And I'm recording over here.
Look at that.
Look at all that hair.
She's got a hairy back and hairy arms, you guys.
Look at him here.
Look, get the hair. Can you get the hair?
Jenny.
Está bien peludita. Dijo que no había batallado con...
Are you hairy?
Did you eat a lot of spicy food when you